Hello, what's up guys? How are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I will show you how to check engine sensor like airflow sensor or engine any sensor. Okay, how you can check wiring damage or not. Okay, today I will show you how to check this wire. Some many car any wiring damage. When I check computer like circuit fault or sensor circuit or circuit open like this. So if any sensor damage, you can get fault in your diagnosis in your scanner. So before sensor replace, you can check first time wiring damage or not. So any sensor when you replace, before check any wire damage or not. How you can check with multimeter, today I will show you. Okay, you can see this is the airflow sensor and this is the wire. Okay, and this is the multimeter. So see this knob I put in 1k ohms. Okay, then this black wire I put in earth wire. Okay, then red wire and need one pin like this. Okay, this is the airflow sensor wire, you can see. So I put like this one by one. See, you can see here, that means wiring not damaged. Okay, one and second number I put inside. Okay, see, not damaged. Third one put inside, see, not damaged wire. And fourth one, you can see, this is also okay. So you can check like same procedure engine any sensor before replace, you check and then replace. Okay, thank you.